Welcome to the dynamic learning hub of ExcelR at Andheri East. A prime spot conveniently located at just a 5-minute walk from LIC Andheri Metro. In our journey of over a decade, we have proudly trained over 2 lakh students. We have also been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India and other accreditation bodies. Experience learning like never before in our spacious and comfortable classrooms. With high-definition projectors and state-of-the-art acoustics in place, we ensure effective learning even to the farthest point in the room. A hybrid mode is a game changer as you can enjoy the benefits of a live classroom from the comfort of your home. Even if you happen to miss any classroom session, you can still attend the same session with the same trainer at the same time at your convenience, maintaining consistency in your learning progress. Wanna get started? Join us for a demo or career chat over a cup of coffee at our Andheri branch. ExcelR. We don't just train, we build careers.
Yes, so the collaboration with ExcelR was an excellent one. We conducted a Power BI workshop with Advanced Excel over a span of 3 days. The workshop was almost 12 hours long in total. Mr. Karthik, who was an amazing trainer, helped the students understand the concepts deeply. I am sure that the students will be able to apply these concepts in their careers as well as their daily lives.
The trainer, Mr. Karthik, was an excellent person where he explained in very detailed manner on how to give great insights using very complex data sets.
So it was a machine learning workshop. We learned a lot from the course and it was a great experience attending the workshop.
The trainer was very helpful. He had a hands-on approach with his teaching and it was fabulous.
This was a great experience for me. So I would absolutely love it if ExcelR and its team would come again to our campus and conduct more events like this.
It was a great course and it started from basics and took me to a great extent.
The experience of the workshop was really nice. The feedback from all the students was positive. They understood the concept. The workshop was also practical based with some questions. The experience with ExcelR was very smooth. They helped us in conducting the workshop smoothly right from the booking of the vendor and deciding the course till the distribution of certificates. In overall, this workshop was a success during our Technical Fest Atmos, and I thank ExcelR for being a part of it.
they are coming for. I think there was some back end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident and they were open to any kind of thing we were asking them to do. That was I think the best part. Now, I really hope we have a very, very fruitful association with each one of them and ExcelR in future. We are really looking forward to have many more drives like this. They are coming for. I think there was some back-end preparation which they did that was commendable. They also were very confident.
Hello. Good evening, guys. Can you please give the confirmation? Good evening, Omkar, Nadim. Yes. Guys, please provide the clarity. Like how many searching techniques are completed? How many searching techniques are completed? Two searching techniques. One is linear search, and another thing is the binary search. First one is the linear search, and second one is the binary search. Now, tell me, coming to the sorting techniques, how many sorting techniques are completed? How many sorting techniques are completed? One is the bubble sort. One is the bubble sort. Another thing is the insertion sort. Now, in the today's session, can I go for the one more sorting technique? Can I go for the one more sorting technique? Yes, I wanted to go through the one more sorting technique. That is the quick sort. What's the sorting technique name? Quick sort. Theoretical, I will tell you. Then I will do one example. Remaining examples you people should do. What is a quick sort? What is a quick sort? Say this one. Choose one key element. Pick. You should pick one key element. Fine. All lesser elements left side of key element. All higher elements right side of key element. I'm saying again here. Guys, choose one. Guys, learn like this only, you can understand easily. Don't go for other thing here, guys. Don't do any other message in the chart, only technical related. Never say sir Python C, never say that messages in the chat box. Please put the focus on the example. Now see this one. Choose key element. I wanted to choose one key element. Assume here 10. Fine. All lesser elements on left side. All higher elements compared to key element. Compared to key element on the right side. So this is the fundamental. This is the fundamental rule for the quick sort. Fine. I will show one example, then you can get the clarity. Guys, say this one. Take 1, 10, 10, 4, 2, 8, 7, 6. Something we have. Guys, pick one element. You need to pick one element. Mono. Can you choose one element? Any element, not a particular element. You can choose any element. Can you tell one element? 2 na? Yes. Try to take the 2. Someone saying pick the 2. Yes. He told like someone saying the 2, someone saying the 4. Okay, I'm choosing the 2 here. 2. Fine. Whatever the elements less than 2. Whatever the elements less than 2 should display left side. Fine. Tell me here, what are the lesser elements? Lesser elements compared to 2. Answer. 1, 1. Only 1, only 1 is there. So that 1 should display at the left side. Fine. Tell the higher elements. Tell the higher elements. Tell the higher elements. So I know that one here. Someone saying like a pivot element or something. I know that one. Just let me continue the session. So tell the higher elements. What are the higher elements? Can you tell the higher elements? 10 is the higher element na? 10 is the higher element. Next one. 4 also higher element na? 4 also higher element. 8 also higher element na? 8, 7, 6. 8 to 7, 6. So it should display right side. It should display right side. Any order. Say this one. 10, 4, 8, 8. Next one. 7, 6. Remember that one. And one more point. This is the pivot element na? This is the key element na? 2 is the key element na? Yes, 2 is the key element. Fine. Here, whatever the array we have on the right side, apply the same principle. We need to apply the same principle. Which principle? Choose one key element, all lesser elements on the left side, all higher elements on the right side, and do the iterations number of times. We need to do the iterations up to how many times here? Like you may feel like n minus 1 number of time. N minus 1 number of time, automatically elements will be sorted. Then this sorting technique, technically we can call quick sort. Fine. Yeah, can you give the confirmation how many members understand the fundamental rule? Not a proper example, fundamental rule. Are you people okay with the fundamental rule, or can I give the one more example? Are you people okay with the fundamental rule, or can I go for the one more example? One more example. Let me go for the one more example. Guys, so try to understand in the group, guys, some people already know the data structures. That people, I know what we are teaching here, because this is a class related to non-IT students, secondary students, third year students. So I hope you can understand. Fine. Now, guys, say this one. Tell one array here. You need to tell one array. 10, 20, 5, 6, 100, 3, 3, and we need to pass the 8, and we need to pass the 200 here. 200. Fine. Guys, pick one element. You need to pick one element. Anyone? Can you please pick one element? Can I pick the someone saying the 100? Someone saying the 100 here. Pick this element. Anything, not only 100, anything we can pick up, but it's recommended to pick the first element is the pivot element. But that's not the rule, but we can pick anything up. Fine. I'm choosing 100. Yes. Guys, all lesser elements should display left side. All bigger elements should display right side. Answer, you need to answer. Not 100, guys. Let me take the 400 also. I need to take the one more element also. 300 and 400 also. 500 and 150 also. Something I need to take. Fine, guys. All lesser elements should display at left side. Can you tell the lesser elements? Can anyone tell the lesser element? 10 is the lesser element now. Say yes or no. Say yes or no, guys. 10 is the lesser element now. 20 also lesser element. 5 also lesser element. 6 also lesser element. 3 also lesser element. And 8 also lesser element. Small element here. These elements you should to display left side. Can you help me how to display at the left side? Any order. No need to follow the order also. Any order you can place it. Tell me. 10, 20, 5, 6, 6, 3, 3, and 8. That's it. All bigger elements you need to display on the right side. Fine. Can you tell the bigger elements? Can you tell the bigger elements? Anyone? Can anyone help me? What are the bigger elements? 200, 300, 500, and 150. And 150. These elements you should to display on the right side. Tell me. 200, 300, 500, 500. Next one is the 150. Okay, na? Fine. Madhavi, try to see this one. Madhavi, see this one. Madhavi, here, whatever the array we have, for this array, you need to apply the same principle again. Same principle. Which principle? Which principle? Choose one key element, lesser elements on left side, higher elements on right side. Fine. See this one. Here, we have the one more arena. Right side also we have the one more arena. Right side, we have the one more array here. Same principle. Choose one pivot element. Choose one pivot element and lesser elements on left side and higher elements on right side. So if you apply that process up to the only one element, whenever only one element exists here, at that time, the elements will be in sorted order. The elements will be in what? Sorted order. Then this is sort, technically we can call quick sort. Quick sort. Can anyone get the confirmation? Are you people okay with this one? Are you people okay with this one? Yes. Can I go for the original example? Can I go for one original example? Let me go for one original example. Happily, we need to go for one original example. Again, tell me now. What? Priya? Priya was saying, again, tell me. What again, tell me? Priya, I hope you need to check from your end. Where you are stucking, Priya, tell me. Where you are stucking. Choose one pivot element. All lesser elements, left side. All higher elements on the right side. Priya, tell me, what is the pivot element? What's the pivot element? At least you need to chat. Not only sending the message, you need to do the reply. 100. Lesser elements. Compare to 100 lesser elements on the left side. Compare to 200 higher elements on the right side. Are you getting or not? Priya. And another thing. This is the array 1. This is the array 1. This is the array 2. Array 2 here. Once again, this array, same principle. Once again, this array, same principle. Up to, you need to perform up to n minus 1 number of time. N minus 1 number of time, automatically we can perform the quick sort. Okay, na? Fine. Now, guys, all the BTech people in our examination, this is one of the question. Take care regarding this one. Same in the sense, either left or right. Someone asking, sir, if the element are the same, either left or right, you can place it. Guys, in our BTech examination, this is one of the question. Remember that one. Fine. Guys, can I go for the one real example? Let me go for one real example. Priya, then put some more concentration. Yes. Let me take some elements. I wanted to take some elements. Any random elements I can take. 7, 6, 10, 5, 9, 2, 1, 15, 15, 7. 15 and 7. Not only this one, you can take anything. Don't think like Jaiba, where it is useful in the sense. Fine. Now say this one again. Now, see this one. We have so many guys. A few, just a half an hour, guys. Please stop the charting, guys. The reason is that whenever I'm explaining here, we're asking like a C, C++, Java.NET something here. Please stop it. Please stop your chat here. If the question related to this one, then ask the question or then stop the chat. Fine. Guys, say this one. In this one, tell the indexes also. Will you people tell the indexes also? Answer indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 8. These are the indexes. Now, this one we can call lower boundary. And this one we can call upper boundary. This one we can call upper boundary here. Can you tell the lower boundary? 0. Can you tell the upper boundary? Upper boundary is the 8. Lower boundary is the 0 and upper boundary is the 8. Fine. It's recommended to take sorry guys. It's recommended to take a pivot element. Pivot element is the first element. It's recommended to take. It's not the rule, but it's recommended to take. First element is the pivot element. It's recommended to take. Someone asking 9 or 10 or something, yes, you can take it. But it's recommended to take. It's recommended to take pivot element is the 7. Okay, pivot in the sense key element. Pivot in the sense some reference element, not more than that one. Not more than that one, just a reference element here. Fine. Now, go I see this one. After that, I want to move to left to right. Everyone need to concentrate, guys. Everyone need to concentrate. See this one here. I want to move to right side. From lower boundary to, we need to move to right side. And upper boundary to upper boundary to, we need to move to left side. Remember that point. Yeah. Someone asking the questions are what is the pivot element? Reference element. Pivot element means a reference element. I'm taking one reference element, not more than that one. See this one. From lower boundary onwards, we need to move to right side. From upper boundary onwards, we need to move to left side. So this is the fundamental rule also. Exact example I'm saying here. And one more thing. Guys, here, where to stop? While moving, where to stop? Where I need to stop here. See this one. If element greater than pivot element. See this one. Guys, we are moving to right side now. Everyone need to tell. We are moving to right side now. Yes, we are moving to right side. But Madhavi, where we need to stop? You are saying to me, sir, we are moving to the right side. But where we need to stop? We need to stop if the element greater than pivot element. If the element greater than pivot element, then you need to stop your journey. Then you people need to stop your journey here. Fine. I'm repeating this point again here. Fine. Guys, lower boundary to, we are moving to right side now. Say yes or no. You are moving. But somewhere else you need to stop or not. Somewhere else you need to stop your journey or not. You need to stop your journey here. Where you need to stop your journey? If element greater than pivot element, if element greater than pivot element, if element greater than pivot element, then you need to stop your journey here. Fine. Yeah. Can you start the journey here? Yes, I want to start the journey here. Guys, is 7 greater than 7? Is 7 greater than 7? No. Is 6 greater than 7? Guys, is 10 greater than 7? Yes or not? Yes, then you need to stop your journey here. Stop it. Got it or not? Fine. Once again, I'm repeating here. Guys, are you okay with this point or confusion? Are you people okay or confusion? Are you people okay? Yes. Guys, where we need to stop our journey? Where we need to stop our journey? If element greater than pivot element, then we need to stop our journey. Fine. Guys, same condition. We are moving to left side now. We are moving to left side now. Yes, we are moving to left side here. But where we need to stop our journey? If element less than or equal to, not on lesser, less than or equal to pivot element, less than or equal to pivot element, then you need to stop your journey. If element less than or equal to pivot element, then you people need to stop your journey here. Otherwise, don't stop your journey. Fine. Guys, see this one. 7 less than or equal to 7. 7 less than or equal to 7. Yes or not? 7 less than or equal to 7. No. If someone saying no, I hope you are not understanding the basic English. 7 less than or equal to 7. True or false? True. Pranodini, true. True in the sense you need to stop your journey here. You people need to stop your journey here. Got it or not? Fine. Next one. I think our journey stopped now. Left to right journey stopped and right to left journey also stopped here. Once stopped, then we need to do the exchange. Coming to ourselves, we need to do the some exchange here. So How we can do the exchange here? These elements I need to do the exchange here. Whatever the elements are there, that elements I want to do the exchange here. Do the exchange here. Fine. Yeah. Can you tell after doing the exchange here? Can you tell the array here? Tell the array. Reply. 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7 guys. Never say 10. 7, next, 5, next, 9, 9, next one, 2, next, 1, next, 15, next one, 10. Yes, successfully, we are able to do the first exchange now. Successfully, we are able to do the first exchange here. Fine. Now, remember here, where is our breakpoint? Where is our breakpoint? Here, this is our breakpoint here. Am I right or not? Fine. Start the journey again. You need to start the journey again here. From where you need to start? You need to start from here. You need to start from here, not from the scratch itself. And you need to start from here itself. You should start your journey from here. Fine. Yeah. Guys, where we need to stop? Tell me, you people need to tell where we need to stop our journey. Lakshmi, whoever feeling like difficult, you people need to reply. At a 9, yes. Someone saying like, sir, please stop your journey here. Yes, guys, where we need to stop the upper boundary to left side. Where we need to stop. Where we need to stop here. Lesser element, Yash. I hope you need to think yourself. You are saying the 15. 15 or 1? 1. 1 here. We need to stop at 1. And do the exchange here. We should be in a position. We need to do the exchange here. Simply, we should perform this exchange. Fine. Now, can you tell the exchange? You people need to tell the exchange. After doing the exchange here, you need to tell the final array. 7, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 5, 5. Answer. I need the answer. 1, 1. Next, 2, next, 9, next, 15, next, 10. 10. Guys, how many passes are completed successfully? Guys, how many passes are completed successfully? 2 passes are completed successfully or not? 2 passes are completed successfully here. Now, start from here. Now, you need to start from here. Tell me. Move to right side. Where we need to stop? Move to right side. Where we need to stop? Answer. Where we need to stop? Here itself, na? Here itself. Coming to left side. Where we need to stop? Where we need to stop? You need to tell. Can I stop here? Yes or not? Can I stop here? Yes, we need to stop here. Simply, we need to stop here. Simply, we need to stop here. Fine. Now, guys, but see this one. It's a little bit, some little bit see this one here. Whenever we done that one. Whenever we done that one here. But here, this is the lower boundary and this is the upper boundary. This is the lower boundary and this is the upper boundary here. Am I right or not? But here, lower boundary always less than upper boundary. Lower boundary always less than. Lower boundary always less than upper boundary here. But here, it will be little bit different or not? It will be little bit different or not? It will be little bit different here. So because it failed the condition. It failed the condition. In this situation, this 2 you need to replace with the 7. Then at that time, you need to do this exchange here. If you put more focus, then you are enjoying with this one. If you are not putting the focus here, it will be a little bit confusing to you. Yes. Now, tell the final thing here. Can you tell the array again? Then I will go for the one more example, guys. Not an issue. Fine. Tell the array here after exchanging here. Can you tell the array here? Can you tell the array here, guys? 2, 2, 6, 2, 6, 7, 5, 1, answer. 5, 1, next one, 7, 7, next one, 9, 9, next one, 15, next one, 10, 10. Got it or not? Fine. You need to do this iteration. You need to do this iteration. Say this one. This is the pivot element, guys. For the left array, you need to apply the same principle. For the right array, you need to apply the same principle here. If you apply number of times, then only it will be completed. Fine. Guys, how many members need the repetition of this logic again? How many members need the repetition of this example again? Okay, fine. Same example, guys. I don't want to go for the different example. I need to go for the same example. Supported, guys, for the BTech people. For the BTech people to clear your examination, this is the mandatory. Fine. Tell the same array. Please focus, guys. Please focus. 7, 6, 10, 10, 5, 9, 2, 1, 15, 7. Yeah, guys, please remember, only one time I will repeat. Next time I never repeat it here. Remember that one. Fine. Now, take the pivot element. I want to take a reference element. Someone in the group, he is messaging me, sir, what is pivot? Pivot in the sense reference element. Pivot in the sense reference element, not more than that one. Pivot in the sense a reference element. Fine. Or you can take the reference also, not an issue. Fine. Next one. And again here. Akila, say this one. Move to the left to right. I wanted to move to the left to the right. And here, move from right to left. So this is the fundamental principle. Fine. While moving, where we need to stop? Somewhere else we need to stop or not? Somewhere else we need to stop here. Am I right or not? Where we need to stop? If element greater than pivot element. If element greater than pivot element, then you need to stop this journey. I'm repeating again here. I'm repeating again here. Guys, move from left to right now. I want to move from left to right. Fine. Now, while moving left to right, somewhere else you need to stop your journey. Where? If element greater than pivot element, if element greater than pivot element, then you need to stop your journey here. Fine. I hope, guys, 7 greater than 7, 7 greater than 7, 6 greater than 7. No, I need the messages, guys. 10, 10 greater than 7, 10, 10, 10 greater than 7. Yes, then you need to stop your journey here. Now try to see this one. This is the point. This is the point. Then this point we can call, or you can call like a start point. Start point ended here. Next one. Coming to this one also, guys. I want to do this one also. Coming to this journey also, if element less than or equal to pivot element. If element less than or equal to pivot element, then stop your journey. Then stop your journey. Guys, I'm repeating again here. If element less than or equal to pivot element, then you need to stop your journey here. Fine. Now say this one. Guys, 7 less than or equal to 7. 7 less than or equal to 7. Madhavi, yes or not? Yes. Then you need to stop your journey here. In the first element only, I'm not moving a little bit forward also. In the first step only, I'm ending my journey. So here this one we can call the end. Fine. After stopping your journey, you people need to perform the interchange. Exchange you need to perform. 7 shifted to 10 and 10 shifted to 7. Oh my God, Uday Kiran, Uday Kiran. Uday Kiran, where you are bouncing? You are saying, sir, repeat again here. Where I need to repeat? From beginning itself, na, Uday Kiran? Now, Madhavi, say this one. Where we need to stop this journey? Uday Kiran, tell me where we need to stop this journey. We are moving now. We are continuously moving here. Where we need to stop? Uday Kiran, tell me. If a element if a element greater than pivot element, then you need to stop it. Fine. Coming to here, where we need to stop this journey? If a element less than or equal to pivot element. If a element less than or equal to pivot element, then you need to stop the journey here. Fine. Yeah. Uday Karan, tell the exchange value. Tell the exchange value. 7. Answer. 6. 6. 7. Yes, right answer. 7. Next. 5. Next. 9. Next. 2. Next. 1. Next. 15. Next. Next what? Next 10. Okay, na? Once again start your journey here. You people need to start the journey here. From where we need to start? Here itself we need to start. Never start from the beginning itself. Tell me, where we need to end our journey? Where we need to end our journey? Anyone, at least one person. Element greater than pivot element. So where is the pivot element? So this condition true or not? This condition true here. This condition true here, then we need to stop here. Simply, we need to stop here. So my journey ended here. Yeah. Coming to here also. This is journey also. Where we need to end? Where we need to end? Element less than or equal to pivot element. Element less than or equal to pivot element, then we need to stop our journey here. Now, say this one here. Can I stop here? Can I stop here? Answer, yes, I wanted to stop here. Here I wanted to stop. Tell the final exchange. Tell the final array. Anyone? Tell the final one here. You people need to tell. 7, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, next 5, not 9, not 9. Instead of 9, we need to place 1, 1, 2, 2, next 9, 9, next one, 15, next one, 10. Once I can start our journey here, I need to start our journey here. Guys, where we need to stop now? Guys, you need to compare here. Where we need to stop? 9 or not? 9 or not, guys? 9. We need to stop at 9. Chala smart, guys. You people should be little bit smarter. Little bit smart. You people little bit smart here. Then you are able to understand this one. Start. Fine. Coming to this journey. Coming to this journey, where we need to end? Where we need to end here. Coming to this journey, where we need to end? Here we need to end at 2 or not? Lesser or not? Lesser element here. We need to end at 2. Am I right or not? Say this one here. This is the end. Am I right or not, guys? But check the flow here. If you check the flow, start. Coming to the start. Start crossing the end or not? Start value crossing the end or not? Am I right or not? Start value crossing the end. So whenever this situation happened, here, then we need to replace. We need to replace this 2 with the pivot element. Say this one. Then we need to perform this exchange. This exchange we need to perform. This exchange we need to perform. Guys, after performing that exchange, can I tell the final output? Can I tell the final output? 2, 6, 7, 7, 5, 5, 1, next 7, 7, 9, next one, 15, 15, next one, 10. Guys, is it a pivot element? Is it a pivot element? Am I right or not? Yes, sir, this is the pivot element here. Whatever the element is, this is the pivot element. From pivot element left side, say this one. Here you need to apply the same principle. For the pivot element right side, you need to apply the same principle up to the n minus 1 number of times. Then only the array will be sorted by using the quick sorter. The array will be sorted what? The array will be sorted by using which one? Quick sort here. Fine. Now, guys, just to have the look into that one. Once if you have to look into that one here, once if you have to look into that one here, then we will go for. Then you need to write the code for the another example. Little bit smarter, you people little bit smarter. Guys, don't chart, never chart here. Let me share the screenshot. Never chart with me. Let me share the screenshot. Wait. Never chart, guys. Stop the charting. Yes, I sent the screenshot here. Then you people need to go through that one. Guys, whoever understand, write the code for these elements. 20, 30, 2, 15, 7, 9, 100. Guys, write the code for this example. Write the code for this example. Whatever we have, you need to write the code for this example, then share the screenshot. Quick. Quick, guys. You people need to write the code for this one. Take the pen and paper and write the code and share it. Take the first number as the pivot element. Take the first number as the pivot element. Take the pen and paper and you need to write it. And the coding also slowly will explain. Then guys, and not feeling good today, and let me execute 1 or 2, and Monday onwards definitely will increase the class timing. Whoever completed, then share the screenshot. Only, I'm saying only one thing, guys. I'm saying the only one iteration, but you need to try the 2 to 3 iterations. Coding also slowly, I will do the coding here, then you can get the clarity. I will give the 5 to 10 minutes of time, just 10 minutes of time, guys. So you people need to take the pen and paper, then you need to sort out and share the screen. Already, whoever know the data structures, guys, please support the BTech people, like BTech second year and third year students. It's their examination. For you people, you can get the content in the next week onwards. Quick, everyone needed to do that one. Around 20 to 25 members are participating, guys. What about the around 1,000 members are there? In the class, around 1,000 members are there. What about the remaining people? Only 20 members, 20 to 25 members are participating with the code. Can I go through the execution? Can I go through the execution or can I wait for the 2 to 3 minutes of time? Yes, slowly will you do? Maybe the coming to the coding wise, you people may feel little bit difficult here, but do along with me slowly. Yes. Let me take one array here. I want to take one array. Fine. Can you help me same array? Can I take the same array? Yes. Into ARR array equal to same array I need to take. I don't want to take the different one. 7, 6, 10, 5, 10, 5, 9, 2, 1, 15, 7. 15, 7. Open the online compiler. Can you please open the online compiler? You people should open the online compiler. Please open the online compiler. In online compiler, create one array. Create one array. Everyone need to do along with me. Little bit complex code. And one more thing. Can I take the lower boundary? Can I take the lower boundary? Lower boundary equal to, can I say 0? Can I say 0? 0 is the lower boundary or not? Am I right or not? Yes, sir. Lower boundary is the 0. Can I take the upper boundary? Can I take the upper boundary? Upper boundary equal to ARR dot length minus ARR dot length minus 1. See this one. Now, just to do up to now. Yes. No. Go and see this one. And whatever the logic is there, whatever the logic I have, I don't want to write the logic here directly. No, I don't want to take my logic here. No, I'm not interested to write my logic here. Fancy this one. I want to reuse my business logic. If you want to reuse your business logic, we have one concept here. That concept we can call methods. We have one concept, guys, already. I hope you people know methods we have. Why method? Why method? Methods are used to reuse the business logic. methods are used to reuse the business logic. Fine. Now take any one of the method. Call method. Which method? User defined method. Call user defined method. Any method. Why methods? Why methods? Answer. Why methods? Methods are used to reuse the business logic. In order to reuse the business logic, then we will go for methods concept. Fine. Now, what is the method name? Can I tell the method name here? The method name is the quicksort method here. For the quicksort method, I need to pass the two parameters: ARR comma lower boundary comma upper boundary. ARR comma lower boundary comma and upper boundary here. Fine. Whoever bouncing here, let me know. Then I will tell this point again. Whoever bouncing here, let me know. Then I will tell the point again. Guys, this is what. This is what. This is the method or not? This is the method. Fine. What are the advantages of the methods? Methods are used to reuse the business logic. In order to reuse the business logic, then we need to go for the methods. Fine. Yeah. Guys, anyhow, I know whenever we call the method, my array will be sorted and printed. Display sorted array. Display sorted array. How we can display the sorted array here? Now see this one. Here to display that one, we need to go for the system.out.println. System.out.println. So say this one here, and here we need to go to arrays data. Arrays dot. Next one is the toString. Arrays dot toString of. Otherwise, don't do like that here. Now go for the for in loop. For int element colon ARR here. Now go to the println. Go to the println of which one you wanted to print. Element I need to print. Whatever the element we have, that element I need to print. Fine. Do up to now. Never compromise with the execution. If you're feeling like a difficulty, if you know that a particular point, I will repeat again. Don't ask after writing the complete code. Never ask after writing the code, guys. So if you're feeling like difficulty, line number 13 or something, then you need to ask. Explain line number 13. Line number 13. Yes, sir. Manikiran, this one we can call a method. Manikiran, you need to write some code, like moving to right side and moving to left side. Some code you need to write now. That code, whatever the code you have, that code I want to use a number of times. If you want to use your code number of times, your code under one particular method, your important code under one particular method here, then you can reuse it number of times. 16 the printing here, don't ask the 16, there's a printing. That's a printing. Never ask the 16, that's a printing, not more than that one. Then once again started our questions na. Sir, C++, Python, C, JavaScript, once again we started our questions na. I hope my recommendation is to open the online compiler. Once again started our questions. Sir, go through the C++, go through the C, go through the Python. Once again questions are started. Fine. Now, guys, create this method. Guys, which method I need to create? Guys, create the method. Which method I need to create? We need to create one particular method now. Which method I need to create? I need to create one method here. The method is the quicksort method here. Quicksort method here. Let me go for one method here. What is that method here? That method is the quicksort method we need to take. Once again, guys. Here we need this method won't return anything. Void, this method is the static method. Which method? Quicksort method here. Simply we need to go to quicksort method here. Fine. Here we need to take int array ARR. Next one int lower boundary. Next one int upper boundary here. Int lower boundary and int upper boundary here. Yes or not? Fine. Now guys, observe this one. Whatever the array we have. This is the array now. Whatever the array we have, that array happily stored here. Next one, and another thing. One more thing is try to see the another thing here. One more thing is the whatever the lower boundary we have, whatever the lower boundary we have, that lower boundary stored here. And whatever the upper boundary we have, that upper boundary stored here. Fine. What is the method name? Can anyone tell what's the method name? What is the method name? The method name is the quick sort method. Fine. Now say this one here. How many times can I call? Number of times. We can call that quick sort method a number of times. Fine. And guys, this is related to some basics of the language here, but you need to focus on the one upper boundary, lower boundary here. If you're able to understand, well and good. Otherwise, you can revise in the your programming languages. Fine. Next one. Guys, still static in the sense Kirana. Is it a static method? Kirana, is it a static method? Only question na Kirana, answer you want to give the answer na? Yes, sir. I'm calling directly na. Inside the static method, I'm calling the directly na. How we can call directly? The method also should be in the static. Fine. Guys, from the pivot element left side, we need to apply the same logic na. Check the paint diagram. From the pivot element left side, we need to apply the partition logic na. And here also we need to apply the partition logic na. Am I right or not? Chetan, yes, I can accept your answer. Chetan, I can accept your answer. Please stop your comment. Fine. Now say this one. From the pivot element. From the pivot element left side, this is the partition one. Na? This is the partition one and this is the partition two. Fine. So for the partition one, you need to apply the same logic again and again. Na? We need to apply the same logic again and again here. Next one. For the partition 2 also, we need to apply the logic again and again, na? Again and again here. So how we need to do that one? So to apply again and again, here I need to call the one more method here. But when we need to call, if lower boundary always less than, if lower boundary always less than answer, always less than upper boundary, na? For lower boundary, always less than upper boundary here. Upper boundary here. So, guys, that partition logic, number of times I need to write the partition logic. That partition logic, then I need to go for the one more function. Partition of, I need to go for the array comma, lower boundary comma, next one is the upper boundary here. Upper boundary here. Now, it will return the pivot index here. Int pivot index here. Fine. Guys, nothing. Guys, it contain what? Can anyone tell me here? It contain what? ARR contain what? Array or not? ARR contain the array na? Yes. Lower boundary contain what? Lower boundary contain what? 0. Upper boundary contain what? Upper boundary contain what? Length minus 1. ARR dot length minus 1. Yes or not? Fine. And still, I want to write my business logic in other method. In another method, some XYZ method. What is that method name? What is that method name? Answer. What is that method name? Partition method. Whatever the method we have, then that method we can call the partition method. Fine. Can you help me how to create that partition method? How to create that partition method? Int, static int, which method? Static int, which method? Partition method here. Partition method here. In the partition method, we need to go for into array, into array ARR, into array ARR. Next one is the into lower boundary. Next one is the into lower boundary, comma, into upper boundary here. Into upper boundary. Fine. Next one. Mahesh, can you please drop the call, Mahesh? Mahesh, drop the call. Fine. Next one. Guys, see this one. Here, guys, observe this one. You people need to turn the internal figure. Mahesh, I requested at the beginning of the time. Don't put your brain on the language here. Please put your brain on the only logic. Mahesh, if you send only one message, I can understand. You send the copy paste, not just a control C, control V. But you send the message, sir, please go to the C language, C language, C language. One time I can understand, Mahesh. Fine. At least let me continue the program because all the 1,000 members, they will disturb Mahesh. If you send a message like all the members, they will disturb. Let me complete the program. Then I will talk with our question. But I think, guys, it's better to disable the chart now. Can I disable the chart? Fine. Now, guys, see this one. Here, what is the method name? Can I tell the method name? Quick sort method. Here, what we are passing? ERR. Next one, which one? Lower boundary. Next one, which one? Upper boundary. So now, automatically, the control goes here now. The control goes here or not? The control goes here. So this is the array, this is the lower boundary, and this is the upper boundary. But still, I'm not happy with the quick sort method. I wanted to place my logic. I wanted to place my logic into another method. Another method here. That method name is, what's the method name? Partition method. For the partition method, what we passed, array comma, lower boundary comma, upper boundary. But it is a returning what? Integer. That integer will be stored here. Whatever the integer is there, that integer stored here. Fine. Guys, I'm expecting some people, they need to do practice along with me. Are you doing now? Yes. Whoever completed, give the confirmation. Guys, whatever the logic I'm explaining in the Java, you people need to convert it to C++ and C language and other language. Then only you are the software engineer. Am I right or not? Instead of putting the logic, instead of putting our focus on the logic, if you put your focus on the C, Mahesh, he sent that message around 10 to 15 times. Sir, C language, sir, C language, sir, C language. Already I told that point in around. I think I'm getting a little bit angry. The reason is already I'm saying that message. Don't put your brain on the particular language. Whatever the logic I'm writing here, you people need to convert this language to the other languages. Yes, Chetan, you need to try now. You need to try. But instead of trying, why you people are sending the message are implement only in the C language, implement only in the C++ language. This logic you need to convert to other language, then only your skills will be enhanced. Fine. Now, guys, can I write important logic here? Can I write my important logic here? Answer. I wanted to write my important logic here. Fine. Next one. Yeah. Kiran, please stop the chart also, Kiran. Static is the keyword already available here. Fine. Stop the chart here. Fine. Next one. Guys, can I take the pivot element? Can I take the pivot element? Yes, let me take the pivot element. Which one is the pivot element? Array of lower boundary. Series fun. Array of lower boundary, that is the first element or not? That is the first element or not? The first element always the pivot element. Next one. And take the one more variable, int start equal to lower boundary, but no need to take, but for my easiness I'm taking care. Next one, int end equal to I wanted to take the upper boundary here. Fine. Tell the condition. We have one condition. Which condition we have here? We have one condition here. Which condition? While you need to iterate up to the while start always less than end. Fine. Do up to now. Do the coding up to now, guys. Do the coding and trace out. Then we can get the real kick on the data structures. Yes, guys, we need to start our journey from left to right. Am I right or not? But where we need to stop our journey? Where we need to stop our journey? At least one person, guys, move Move left to right, Madhavi. Move left to right. But somewhere else you need to stop, na? Where we need to stop? Where element greater than pivot element. If element greater than pivot element here. So how we can place it? Guys, while say this one. While say this one here. Here. Array of start less than or equal to which element? Less than or equal to which element? Pivot element. And you need to check the condition also. The condition is the start less than or equal to upper index here, upper boundary here. Then we need to go for the start fix plus. Later, guys, after the class, you need to uh, understand this code. But what is the meaning of this code? What is the meaning of this code here? This is the meaning of this code. So I'm moving from left to right now. I'm moving from left to right or not? Left to right. But where we are stopping? We are stopping if element, if element greater than pivot element. If element greater than pivot element, then we are stopping our journey. So that is the meaning of this code here. That is the meaning of this code here. Fine. And coming to this journey also, we need to place this journey also now. Yes or not? We need to place. How we can place it? Let me take the one more while condition. Let me take the one more while condition. After the class goes, you need to try yourself. Yes. Here, I need to go through the one more condition. Array of end greater than pivot element. Pivot element, then we need to go for end minus minus. Do the coding up to now. Guys, this is nothing but left to right journey. And this is nothing but right to left journey. Firoz, even though if you remove, it will work. Firoz, even though if you remove, it will work. For the safety side, I'm placing that one. Guys, this is which code? This is which code? Moving from left to anyone, at least out of these people. Moving left to right. This is which code? Moving right to left. Fine. Yeah. Can I continue? Anyone doing along with me? Or anyone doing along with me? If you say continue, then I will continue. Yes. Guys, after stopping your journey, you need to do the exchange or not? You people should do the exchange or not? Yes. See this one. How to do the exchange? If start less than end. Am I right or not? Compulsory, guys. Compulsory. If a start less than end, so then only we need to do the some exchange. How we can do the exchange here? Int temp equal to temp equal to ARR of start. ARR of start. Next one. ARR of start. ARR of start equal to ARR of end. ARR of end here. Next one. ARR of end. ARR of end equal to temp. ARR of end equal to temp. Guys, I will tell what's the meaning of this code. Guys, we are doing the exchange now. Are we people doing any exchange here? Yes, we are doing that, not here. We are doing the exchange or not? We are doing exchange here. So this is the exchange code. Whatever we have, this is the exchange code. Do that one. Swapping only. Bhumika, that's a swapping. Yes, we're exchanging. Anyone done along with me? Yes. Next one. Go through the another thing here. Go through the another thing here, guys. If the condition false, if the condition false, we're exchanging the pivot element na. We are doing the swapping of pivot element na. Did you remember? Did you remember, guys? If the condition false, if the condition false, we done the swapping of what? We done the swapping of pivot element. How we can do that one here? Now check this one. How we can do this one? Int tempo1 equal to into tempo1 equal to here we need to go for array of lower boundary, array of lower boundary, array of lower boundary, array of lower boundary equal to array of end here. Next one and here array of end, array of end equal to array of end equal to we need to pass the temporary one. Fine, guys. Here my program is completed. Then I need to go for the we need to return that end. Whatever the end element is, that end element I need to place it here. Fine. Now guys, see this one here. What is this code? This code is nothing but this exchange. This exchange here. We done this exchange, and when we are doing the exchange, when we are doing the exchange here, if the condition false, if the condition false, we are doing the exchange here. So that exchange code we are writing here. Yes. Do the coding up to now. And we need to return that end also. Bhumika, which condition false in the sense? Start greater than end. Start greater than end. If the start is greater than end, at that time that condition is the false. I will send it up. Lakshmi, I will send it up. Yes, guys, see this one. Anyone able to do the coding up to now? Yes, now go to the here itself. Guys, here we have the index na. Just add the some we need to do the left array sorting, right array sorting. How we can do that one? Fix sort of. Once again, I need to call fix sort of. Only one line of code we need to add, but it's not required. But let me add it. Lower index comma pivot index -1. Don't put your focus on this one also. It's like just a safety code. Pivot index. Pivot index +1. Here we need to pass upper boundary. And just add this one also. Add these two lines also. Run, check me. Let me check my luck whether it's working or not. Let me try our luck. Working or not, we need to check. Like some bracket missing where? Check that one. Can you verify, guys, where it's missed? Line number. It's right now. Where? Guys, so check that one. Int array comma int LB, correct na? Public wide is the keyword only. Anyone identify the mistake? Static wide now. LB, where is the LB? Line number, where's the line number 22? Guys, where is the 22? Check the condition, guys. If LB less than UB, verify your code. Yes. Index 9 out of bound for length 9. Where? In if condition. Check that one. 9, where is the 9? First line of partition function. First line of partition function, what's the problem here? It's correct now? It's correct, guys. It's not the wrong. In if condition, anyone identified what's the error we are getting? Check the error. Array index out of bound exception. Where we are placing? 2 minutes. Let me correct this code. Take the support of ChatGPT. Yeah, in the loop itself, somewhere some mistake is there. Yeah, here itself. Start less than or equal to. Guys, check this change where we done the mistake. Start less than or equal to UB. Check our code also where we done that mistake. Line number, can I tell line number? While loop, guys, where is the while loop? Yes, here this one. Yes, start plus plus. This is the change we done. Yeah, this is the one mistake. Guys, what's the another mistake we done? Anyhow, he didn't place anything. Let me try this one. One, two, five, six, seven, 9, 10, 15. Now go to the printing of this one. Just to give us some space also. Run this one. Yes, we are able to start it. Fine. Now, guys, I will share this screenshot, this coding screenshots. Then, whoever unable to get the output here, then do guys, do the only some small change, some final, some mistake I done here in the we done in the while loop. Yeah, here I done the mistake. Just to do that correction, only that correction you people need to do. Now, guys, anyhow, I will share this screenshot to you. The coding screenshots I will share to you. Yeah, anyhow, I'll take in the screenshot, then I will share it to you. No need to worry. Guys, let me go to the one more sorting technique. I need to go to the one more sorting technique. That is a selection sort. Simple. Selection sort is the very simple technique. Fine. Coming to the selection sort. So what is the selection sort? Fine. Here also, whatever the array elements are there, you need to divide it into two partitions. We need to divide it into two partitions. One is the sorted array. Another thing is the not sorted array. One is the sorted array. Next one is the another thing is the unsorted array here. Sorted array. Another thing is the unsorted array. Fine. Now let me take one array. 7, 4, 10, 8, 3, 1. Some random elements. Some random elements we need to take it. Fine. Prabhat, join within the 10 minutes. Join within the 10 minutes. So drop the call, join within the 10 minutes. Fine. Now observe this one. This one we can call unsorted array. This one we can call whatever we have. This one we can call unsorted array. Am I right or not? Fine. Coming to the left side. We can call the sorted array. But you may say, sir, nothing is there. Even though nothing is there, no issue. Then this one we can call sorted array. Simple, guys. So no need to put the more focus on it. No need to put the more focus, but this is the simple here. Fine. I'm repeating again. The total array, what do you call? The total array, what do you call? Whatever the total array we have. The total array, what do you call? Unsorted array. Left side, what do you call? Left side, what do you call? Sorted array here. Fine. And one more point. One more point is the compare first element. We have the first element na. Compare first element with all other elements. Compare first element with all other elements and identify the least element. And identify which element and identify the least element here. We should be in a position, we need to identify the least element. Got it or not? Guys, I'm repeating again. Pick what? Pick what? First element. And compare with what? All other elements. And after comparing with all other elements, you need to find the least element here. In all other elements, you need to find the least element. After finding the least element, guys, can you tell which one is the least element? Can you tell which one is the least element? One is the least element, na? One is the least element here. Then do the exchange. This 1 you need to move to left side and 7 you need to move to the right side here. Whatever the 1 is there, this 1 you need to move to left side. You need to move to left side. And whatever the 7 you have the 7 na, that 7 you need to do here. Are you people okay? Whatever I'm saying here. Guys, take which element? First element. Compare with what? Nadim, compare with what? All other elements. Compare with all other elements. And pull what? Least element. Pull the least element. And move that least element to sorted. and move this is 7 to right side. So can you tell the final answer? Can you tell the final answer here? What is the answer we are getting? 1, 1, anyone? 1. After 1, what we are getting? 4, guys. What we are getting? 4. 4. Next. Next. 10. Next. 8. 3. 3. Next one. Which one we have? Which one we have? 7. 7. Now, guys, can I say this is the sorted? Can I say this is the sorted? Am I right or not? This is the sorted or not? This is the sorted. Can I say this is the unsorted? Unsorted. In this unsorted, choose what? Choose what? Choose the 4 and compare the list element. Check the list element. Check the list element comparative to 4. So, which one is the list element? Which one is the list element? 3 na? Which one is the list element? 3. So, move. Move 3 to the left side na. Move 3 to the left side and move this 4 to the right side. Yes. Are you people following? Are you people following? Give the yes or no, guys. Yes. Now tell the answer. Tell the answer. I'm expecting the answer from you. 1. 1. Anyone? 1 after the 1. Which one? 3. 3. After the 3. Chappali. 1, 3. Next. 10. 10, guys. 1, 3, 10. Next. 8. 8. Next. 4. Next. 8, 4. Next one is the 7. Am I right or not? Yes. Next one. Where is the 3, guys? 1. Answer, guys. 1. Move what? We need to move the 3 or not? 3. 1, 3. Next. 10. Answer shall 10. 10. Next. 8. 8. Next one. 4. 4. 4. Next one is the 7. Fine. Guys, can you identify the sorted array? This is a sorted array, na? This is a sorted array. Fine. Guys, is it your first element? Yes. Identify the least element. Identify the least element. 4 or not? Identify the least element. The least element is the 4 or not? Move the 4 here. If I move the 4 here, what is the answer? 1, 3, 4, 4, anyone? 4, at least one person. 4, 8, 8. After the 8, which one? After the 8, which one? 10, 10. After the 10, which one? 7. Next one. Guys, tell the sorted one. Which one is the sorted? Which one is the sorted? Up to the 8 sorted na? 1, 3, 4 sorted here. 1, 3, 4 sorted here. Guys, 8. Compare this 8. Which element? Which element? 7. So, if I place the 7 here, what is the answer? 1, 3, 3, 4, 7, 7. Next one. 7 after the 7. 10. Next one. 8. Fine. Guys, can I explain the logic again? Whoever bouncing here. Do I need to explain the logic again? Anyone, guys? If anyone asking, I'm ready to explain. I move. I think I went for the little bit speed. I explained with the little bit speed here. Are you okay? Are you okay? Or anyone need it? Yes, guys. See this one. Take one more thing here. Write the code for this example. 10, 2, 15, 20, 40, 51. Guys, write the code for this one. Write the code for this example. Write the code for this example, then share the screenshots. Quicker. Ranjita. Chep Ranjita. క్లాస్లో ఉన్నాను, పర్లేదు చెప్పా. అవును మండే. ఇది డేటా స్ట్రక్చర్స్ కొత్త క్లాస్ ఉంది. కాదు కాదు కాదు, అది యూట్యూబ్లో క్లాస్. అవును అవును. ఆ, ఆ, రాదు రాదు. ఏ ఓకే, కాల్ కలుపుతావు, కాల్ కలుపుతావు. 1 second. ఓకే, హలో. ఎస్ ఎస్ ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. గుడ్ ఈవినింగ్. ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే. షూర్ షూర్ గుడ్. ఓకే రా చెప్తా. ఓకే బాయ్. Was anyone completed? Yes. Guys, I'm sharing the quick short code, but we didn't success in the single shot. We didn't success, no issue. But I'm sharing the quick short code. Quick short coding screenshots also I'm sharing. Download it. Download it, and you need to try yourself. And whoever completed, you can drop it, guys. Coding I will explain on the Monday. I'm not feeling like good to today. And on Monday I will execute the code, and from Monday onwards I will speed up the sessions. No need to worry. Srivastava, please ask your question. Can you tell your question? Srivastava. Mm, yeah, guys, so chat box also not opening. Chat box also not opening. Okay, fine, not an issue. Chandana, yeah, if no questions, I'm wind up the session now. Can you please talk with the people?
Yeah, sure, sir. I'll take it up. So, yeah, students, I'm sharing the attendance link. If you missed out your attendance, please mark your attendance. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we don't have any class because weekend, no? So, Monday to Friday only we are running these sessions. How much percentage of attendance needed for certificate? 60% attendance is mandatory. Bhumika, I didn't get your question. Tomorrow there is no class. Ma'am, I had marked the attendance. May I leave? Yes, you can. Guys, if you don't have any questions, you can leave the session. Is there any morning session also? No, Tarun. We have only evening session, that to 7 to 9 sessions. Okay. Any other free courses is available? Yeah, for now, this is the free course. We will update you, okay, further if any courses is available. Yeah, direct Monday we have session again. Did we get certificate online or offline? So you will receive certificate through online. Okay. Ma'am, I missed 1 day lecture. No problem, Vishal. So from today onwards, don't miss. Okay, any class. Ma'am, cloud computing course is available. So for now, there is no cloud computing. Further, if we are starting any sessions, we will let you know. So Kavya, you just go to our YouTube. So there you can see recording sessions. You can go through that. Sir, will be there class on Monday. Yeah. So tomorrow and day after tomorrow we don't have any classes. Monday we can meet again. When we'll get certificate. So after completion of this program, it will take 10 to 15 days. Okay. This is my first day. It is okay for attendance. So Ram, this is the 5th day. So still we have 10 days. So from today onwards, don't miss to attend these sessions. Okay, because 60% attendance is mandatory for the participation certificate. So still we have 10 days, and these missed classes you can watch on YouTube. Okay, recording sessions. Yeah, Chetan, you can do. Okay, fine. Somebody is sharing their screen. Yeah, so I'm done. I hope we will wind up the session. Attendance is compulsory every day. Yeah, 60% attendance is mandatory for the certificate. Okay, guys, Mutu will wind up the session and we'll meet on Monday. Okay, up to then, take care. Happy weekend. Bye bye. Good night, everyone. Yeah, certificate will send through your email ID, whichever you register here.